enthusiasts, I am Divya and welcome back to Tegonity Studio, your go-to destination for the latest tech reviews and product recommendations. Today we have got an exciting lineup of affordable gadgets under Rs 300 from Shopsy that are sure to elevate your tech game without breaking the bank. From pocket-friendly prices to the wide range selection of gadgets. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First up, we have 1 watt USB plug and play bulb. This little powerhouse is perfect for illuminating your workspace and adding a cozy glow to your room. Its cool white light and compact design makes it a must-have accessory for anyone on the go. Plus, its compatibility with any mobile charger, laptop or desktop, ensuring you always have lighten up when you need it. Next we have the Zebronics K24 USB desktop keyboard. With its slim design and UV coated chiclet keys, typing has never been more comfortable or stylish. Whether you are working on a project or gaming with your friends, this keyboard delivers precision and reliability with every keystroke. Portronics Toad 101 wired optical mouse. This sleek and ergonomic mouse is perfect for both office and personal use. With its plug-and-play functionality and effortless compatibility, you will be navigating through your tasks with ease. Now say goodbye to the wrist fatigue and hello to smooth and responsive control. The hold-up selfie stick with tripod stand. Say cheese to the perfect selfies every time. Whether you are capturing special moments with your friends or filming content for your social media channels, this selfie stick delivers professional quality shots with its anti-shake steady shot and multifunctional remote control. High bright LED 4-tube emergency torchlight. This compact yet powerful torch is a lifesaver in any emergency situation. With its solar charging and rechargeable battery, you will never be left in the dark. Plus, its solid ABS material and resistant to pressure makes it durable enough to withstand any adventure. And there you have it. 5 fantastic products from Shopsy under Rs 300 that are sure to enhance your tech arsenal. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box below to grab these goodies for yourself. Until next time, happy shopping!